Okay, students, in previous class we discussed haloarenes reactions, chemical reactions of haloarenes. So, nucleophilic reactions of haloarenes and electrophilic reactions of haloarenes is over. Now, we are going to discuss a reaction with metals. Now, we are going to discuss a reaction with the metals. Okay. So, first one is nothing but a Wurtzow-Fitting reaction with metals. First one is Wurtzow-Fitting reaction, next Fitting reaction. Okay, we will discuss. See, first one, third one, it is a reaction with metals. Reaction with the metals. So here we are going to discuss. So haloarenes reacts with alkyl halides in presence of metal. Haloarenes and alkyl halides reacts with the metal in presence of dry ether, which gives the mixture of aryl alkyl aryls. Okay, which gives the mixture of aryl alkyl aryls. Okay, alkyl aryls is nothing but a reaction with metals. First one we are going to discuss Wurtzow-Fitting reaction. See here. So this one A, Wurtzow-Fitting reaction. Wurtzow-Fitting reaction. In this one, haloarenes reacts with alkyl halides. Haloarenes reacts with metal and alkyl halides. Okay. Haloarenes reacts with alkyl halides and metal which produces the mixture of arenes, haloarenes and alkyls. The mixture of arenes and alkyls. Arenes and alkyls. Okay. See here, I am taking haloarene reacts with the sodium in presence of haloarenes reacts with the alkyl halides and metal in presence of dry ether. Okay. Metal in presence of dry ether, which produces alkyl arenes. Okay. So haloarenes reacts with alkyl halides and metal in presence of dry ether, in presence of dry ether which produces alkyl arenes is nothing but a Urzu-Fitting reaction. See here I am taking haloarene, haloarene, it is a sodium metal, it is a metal, it is metal, it is alkyl halide, alkyl halide, alkyl halide in presence of dry ether, in presence of dry ether, then EX, ENA, EX is out. If you take 2, then a alkyl group is substitutes on aromatic carbon atom on the ring. So R replaces X. Then what happened? R plus 2NaX is formed. This is alkyl arene. This is alkyl arene. Alkyl arene, it is a sodium halide. Sodium halide, it is nothing but a Urzu-Fitting reaction. It is nothing but a Urzu-Fitting reaction. So here I will explain with one example. In the place of this one I am taking chlorobenzene. In the place of this one I am taking chlorobenzene. So the metal is the same, 2 sodiums I am taking. In the place of this I am taking CH3Cl. In the place of RX I am taking methyl chloride, which gives rise to, so this is nothing but a dry ether, Now the product is the mixture of alkyl arene, so it is a aromatic compound. Here CH3, it is methyl, it is benzene, methyl benzene. Then here 2NaCl, 2NaCl is formed. Okay, so this is nothing but chlorobenzene, it is a sodium, it is a methyl chloride, it is a methyl chloride, it is a sodium, it is a dry ether, it is a methyl benzene, it is a methyl benzene, it is sodium chloride. It is a sodium chloride. So this is the way. Okay, it is a reaction with metals of first one, Urzu-Fitting reaction. Understand? So haloarenes reacts with alkyl halides and metal in presence of dry ether, which produces alkyl arenes, and this is a byproduct. Understand? So this is a reaction with the metals. First one, Urzu-Fitting reaction. Next we will discuss fitting reaction. Okay. Can I erase this? Next, B we are going to discuss. It is A is over. Next B, fitting reaction. Fitting reaction. Here, alkyl halides reacts with the metal, sodium reacts with metal in presence of dry ether, which produces joint of aromatic groups, joining of aromatic groups. So two aryl groups are joined together, so which produces, see here, aryl halides also give, here you have to take fitting reaction means if you take alkyl means haloarine. Haloarines reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether. So which produces joining aromatic groups together. The product is joining aromatic groups together. That is nothing but a fitting reaction. Okay. See here. Haloarines reacts with the metal, in presence of dry ether, which produces joint of aryl groups, together. Okay. So haloarines reacts with the metal in presence of dry ether, which produces joint of aryl groups. Okay. So that is nothing but is known as a fitting reaction. Whether is known as fitting reaction. Is known as a fitting reaction. Okay. So here general reaction I will write first. So alkyl halide I am taking. It is alkyl halide reacts with the sodium in presence of dry ether. So like this two alkyl aryl groups are joined. Two aryl groups are joined like this. So here 2x plus 2Na, 2NaX is out. 2x plus 2Na and 2NaX is out. It is nothing but a diphenyl. It is a haloarine. It is a sodium. It is a diphenyl. It is a sodium halide. Okay. So next example, we may give example for this. Here I am taking, in the place of haloarine I am taking chlorobenzene reacts with the sodium in presence of dry ether, Then what happened? Diphenyl group is formed. Diphenyl group is formed. Okay. Then 2Na Cl is formed. It is aromatic group. It is aromatic group. Aromatic groups are joined. So it is nothing but a diphenyl. Okay. So it is a chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Okay. It is a sodium. It is nothing but a metal. Sodium metal. Sodium metal. Okay. So this is nothing but a fitting reaction. That is a Urzu reaction. Urzu reaction. Urzu fitting reaction. It is a fitting reaction. These two are very important. Okay. Then here we have to discuss one very short answer. Writing isomers for the molecule, we have to discuss one very short answer which is given in previously. So including these reactions, the chapter is over. Chapter is over. Okay. So here you have to know one more very short answer. It is given in your material. So that is we have to discuss. Haloarenes, haloalkanes is over. This chapter is over. One more very short answer we are going to discuss. This is important. Write the possible isomers. Write the possible isomers. For C4H9Br molecule. C4H9Br molecule. So write the possible isomers for C4H9Br molecule. Okay, it is molecular formula. We have to write isomers. So there are 4 possible isomers. 4 possible isomers for C4H9Br. Okay. How many? 4. It is a solution. So first one C4. C like this. Br, I am writing Br. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. H9, it is a CH3. It is a CH2, CH2, CH2. 3 days 6 plus 3, 9, Br. Okay. Then second one. So I am changing bromine position. C. Here I am writing bromine. This is a terminal carbon H3. It is a terminal carbon H3. H2, 1, 2, 3, H. 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. H9, Br. It is numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next I am changing its structure. So this carbon I am attaching chain. Next third one. C, Br. Okay. Then this carbon I am giving as a chain. So here it is a CH3, CH, CH2. 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it is so giving numbering 1, 2, 3. So here it is first carbon containing bromine, first second carbon containing methyl group. It is the third one. Next, fourth one is C, C, C and Br. Okay. So this carbon also I am giving like this. That is a tertiary carbon. It is also tertiary carbon. Okay. So it is okay. So like this we may give. Otherwise, so it is a CH3, CH3, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, C4, H9, Br. So write its name first. Okay. So numbering, it is the long chain. So numbering 1, 2, 3. So 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane, 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane, 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane. Okay. So its name 1, 2, 3. So 1 bromo, 2 methyl, 1 bromo, 2 methyl, how many propane? Okay. 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane. Its name. So 2 bromo, how many carbons? 2 bromo, butane. 2 bromo, butane. It is 1 bromo, 1 bromo, butane. Okay. So these are the possible isomers for C4H9Br. How many possible isomers we may write? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is a 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. It is 1 bromo 2 methyl propane. It is a 2 bromo butane. It is 1 bromo butane. Understand? So it is very important question. That's why I explained. It is briefly haloalkanes and haloarenes. The chapter is over, which carries 4 marks. 2 very short or 1 short answer. Okay.